Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again. We're another Lost Sword content. If you're enjoying the content in this channel with regards to Lost Sword or any gadget that I'm covering, please do consider subscribing to the channel. We're almost there. 77 more subscribers before we reach that goal for 4,000 before the end of the year. I'm really appreciative of you guys. Click on hitting that subscribe button. Please click that subscribe, hit that bell so that you will be aware of what's going on. So currently right now, the update has just finished. You've seen my summon video, and then we're just gonna go with the update on what's going on. So, if we go to the shop, so there's a new Black Bunny market here. So that's a new one. So if you want to go and splurge, if you want to spend your 1,600, I suggest not. Better do your summons here. Your subscription how has been like made it easy for you to see what's going on, fairly easy for you to understand. For $3, almost $4, you get this premium Leon for 400, and then you get 100 every day. This is your basic resource pack. If you want to get your raid pack, like your XP, your gold, and then your elemental dungeon ticket pack, like additional growth support, this would be your quick stop. And then if you want your blessing of Stonehenge, if you want to go grind that Stonehenge, you want to go here. So 369 for $10. I think it's kind of, I think it's this tree is hella cheap in like for dolphin, $12, and then you get all of this. Usually you get only the resource pack for $5. They made it to a point wherein that's like 369. So that like it's almost you only spend $12. If you're a dolphin, if you enjoy the game, if you want to support the game, if you have extra money, again, gachas are predatory. If you want to spend responsibly, do spend it responsibly. Okay. So if you want to go here, I think this is a good benefit. Plus you get 4, 8, 12, 12 leons, and then leons currencies are a bit hard to come by. So 1,200, that's already 7 leons, almost 7 leons. Okay? So it's kind of cheap if you go get that in a way every month. And then for every 2 months you get a like a premium costume. So we're talking about the premium costume because it costs you like 2,400, right? 2,400. Again, if you have this for 812, so that's 2,400. For every 2 months you get a premium skin. So it's up to you. It's up to you. And then you go to your character. I don't have Anessa yet, so she's here and you get her skin. This is the premium skin at 2,400. And she also has a cutscene as well. So, special boutique cutscenes. And she looks really nice. She looks nice here, but it's so... Yeah, I wish this one also would be on her face. Like, yeah, it's in her face. I'm seeing the memes. Do you see the memes? That the one with the red face there. Anyways, like if you're looking at the internet, there's a meme that there's a lady with the red face, red painted face. Comment down below if you know. So she looks like this, anyways, but not on this outfit. Anywho, so that's your skin. So there's buffs with your characters as well. So there's gonna be buffs with your Elizabeth. So I'm not quite sure if they're trying to buff up the night team. So it's all only activating herself, like all self. I wish it was better suited to all of the team. So that's just what I'm saying. Like I wish it was sorted. So also Percival has a new buff as well. Where's Percival? I think Percival has a buff. Where's Percival here? Morgana also has a buff. So they changed Morgana in a way. They're gonna be increasing her damage, but like that's just increasing damage. Activates when current HP cannot be removed. Okay, they're just increasing her damage. And then where is Percival? Percival. Where's Percival here? Am I bugging? Or is Percival? I think I have her. Or I don't. Percival is here. Okay, Percival. Inflict damage, defense. All allies. Creates a shield that blocks damage. Okay. So 34 seconds. She's like a knight as well. Creates a shield that blocks damage. So apply buff. Defense plus 24. Cooldown every 15 seconds. All allies. So that's your sustain. Almost like. So she's pure defense. So increases your damage reduction when Percival reaches Transcendence 5. Her attacks reduce the attack of one enemy by 5%. Okay. So decreases the attack. So if you want like Night Team, I think they're buffing the Night Team in a way. They're buffing Percival. They're buffing Elizabeth. They buff Morgana. But the main point, I think Gawain. No, Gawain. No, Gawain. Like those three were like buffed: Morgana, Elizabeth, and Percival. Plus, they fixed this. Okay, they fixed your crafting. You can now cook your food. Okay, guys. For people who wants to cook food, you can cook your food now. Okay, you can cook your food now. They fixed that, so you'll be able to cook, and you'll be able to clear that mission cooking food times 5. Okay. Um, as you can see here, if you go to your missions here, your weeklies, your cooking food, cook a dish, you can do that one now. Okay, you can get this 3 because it's very important to get gold. Gold is very important in this game. So other than that, we also have an event going on, which is really good. If you go to the shop, if you go to the event, so fireworks coin, you now be able to go pick up character upgrades here, bunny showtime pack, and then gift. You can get all of this one while doing this event, guys. Okay, you can practically get all of this. And always remember your invitation pack. This is the rare soul that you need to get in order for you to get your mileage points, so that you can exchange that for a selector every other month. Okay, so I really already did that. Okay, so I really did that already. So next month, another one. It's very important for you to get that soul. So you're probably gonna be getting it. So vacation, we're still on the vacation here. It's still on. I'm still able to get this. Anyways, so I'll show you what are the events going on. It's really they just like put it additional like here, fireworks memories. So they just add it here. If you clear this, you get fireworks coin and you get gold box. Then once you clear this one, most likely you'll be able to clear it because like at the station it's only 136, so you're practically gonna be clearing that. So haunted manor, this also it's very easy to clear. Plus they're gonna give you basic book of experience, so you will have leveled up your characters, hoping that you get leveled up to level 200. And I will be talking about once you've reached all of your 5 characters to level 200, what will happen. So those are the kinds of things. Me, I haven't. I'm still trying to clear this one, man. I'm almost clearing. I'm 200 now. I'll probably be able to clear this one now. Okay. So that's it. That's all of the updates that you have. So hopefully you guys like this video, like and subscribe. And this again 2000 Gaming. I'll be needing to go in. We have lots of IRL appointments, dentist and circus. That's it. Now see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.